Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, how to get Roblox Star Code? This is the working method for 2025. So, first is know what this is. A start code is a special code from Roblox video stars. Fans use it when buying Robux and you earn it as a percentage. So, meet the requirements for this one. You should be at least 13 and above to apply for this code. Have a Roblox focus channel with either 10,000 plus average views per video in the last or 100,000 subscribers, followers on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, etc. Make a family friendly content as well. So check the official website. This is going to be the link. You can now post a video and copy this link right there to check the latest criteria. Now create the regular Roblox content. Post videos and consistently for streams, grow your community and keep engaging, and safe for all ages. Now once you're satisfied and you think that you can now apply, click on this website. Go here and apply for the program, fill out the form, submit, and wait for approval. Once approved, Roblox will give you a unique star code. Share it in the videos, bios, and social media so fans can support you. And that's it.